and somebody spills juice all over the floor on Tuesday, you wipe it up the best you can and you don't fret about it because you know that every other Thursday you scrub your floor real good. So you don't fuss about it all the time. And that's what it designed. And for me, it helped. It's not for everybody. It's just that in my head, in the way that I process things, I need to have a system. And so Mondays and Thursdays, I would clean my house and the kids knew, and that's why I hung clothes on the line. Because then I could go out in the backyard and they would play with their friends and in the sandbox and I'd hang clothes out and we just hang out. And I'd cook a nice dinner that night because I was home. And
hey, buddy. Hey, look at me.
Like, exhausted. But the other days of the week, we'd go to the mall, we'd have lunch out, or we'd go visit friends, or we'd run around and do stuff, or we'd rent a movie that day and watch something on TV. So you sort of save.
You trying?
You know, you'd have doctor's appointments and my parents would schedule them on those days. You know, so this
that's what's nice. Monday and Tuesday, my mom it's gonna once it starts March. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
You have a lot to say.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week.
Oh, okay. Somebody leaving.
Right. So.
Oh, song.
Right now.
Say bye-bye.
Doctor's appointments are my
Say bye-bye.
Yes. On those